In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence in your browser and navigating to the page where you want a table of contents. Pick the page you want to enhance. This works great for longer documents, guidelines, or project plans where readers need quick navigation. Once you're on the page, click Edit to enter editing mode. Before you add the table of contents, make sure there's already content on the page. The table of contents pulls from your headings, so format your section titles using the built-in heading styles. Use heading 1 for main sections, heading 2 and heading 3 for subsections. If everything is just normal paragraph text, the table won't have anything meaningful to show. With your content ready, press the / on your keyboard, then start typing table of contents. From the menu that appears, choose table of contents. Confluence will automatically insert the macro and build the list based on the headings it detects on the page. You'll see a live preview right in the editor, which makes it easy to confirm it's picking up the right sections. Now, customize how it looks. First, choose the layout. Display as vertical list if you want a classic stacked menu that's easy to scan on long pages. Or switch to horizontal list if you prefer a compact inline menu that sits neatly near the top of the page and works well for shorter content. Next, adjust the bullet style to match your page's tone. You can select Mixed, which blends styles by level, Bullet for simple filled dots, Circle for open dots, Square for square markers, Number for a numbered outline, or None to remove markers entirely and present a clean, unadorned list. If you want the entries to reflect section numbering in the headings, turn on Include Section Numbers, and the table of contents will display those values alongside each item. When you're happy with the layout and styling, click Publish. Your table of contents is now live, and readers can jump to any section instantly. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you add or rename headings later, the table updates automatically after you publish again. Keep headings concise and descriptive for the best results, and position the table near the top of the page so it's the first thing readers see. That's all it takes to add a clear, professional table of contents in Confluence.